Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I had this Valentine's Day makeup look I was supposed to upload and I totally forgot. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and start off with my eyeshadow base from Gerard Cosmetics, and I'll link them down below. You can use PrettyGrace for some money off. Honestly, I have no idea how I've been doing it without this eyeshadow base because it just makes the eyeshadows pop. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and apply that. Then I'm going to go with a hot pink eyeshadow. I'm actually using, I'll link the palette that I'm using down below. So I'm going to use a hot pink eyeshadow. I'm just going to go ahead and apply this right into the outer corner, bringing it inwards. And I'm just going to layer this color until I am happy with the intensity of the shadow. So that's what I'm doing here, just going back and forth and reapplying this. So I kind of wanted to do like a round outer corner. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm just building that out. But then I did decide to bring it out a little bit more. So I did kind of like not do the round, so I kind of made it more pointy from the outer. Anyways, then I'm gonna go with a light pink shadow just to kind of blend out the harsh lines. So that's what I'm doing with another brush, just kind of making sure that it's kind of blended. Then I flip the brush just to kind of use the clean part, and then I switched brushes just to kind of make sure that everything is really nice and blended. So that's what I'm doing here, blending everything out. And then if you feel like the shadow lost its intensity, you can actually go back and just blend everything out. So I usually do that when I apply my lashes. I like to go back and reapply the colors because I feel like when I apply the lash, I feel like it just loses its intensity. Anyways, I'm going to go with another Gerard Cosmetics eyeshadow base, and I'm using the white one that they have, and I'm just going to go ahead and do a cut crease just to apply a white shadow. I should have cleaned the shadow off first with a makeup wipe and then apply the eyeshadow base, so that when I applied my white shadow it actually popped a little bit more, but it's okay. So it's gonna have like a little bit of a pink tint to it, and it's okay because it's a Valentine's Day look. So yeah, then I'm just gonna go back with that same hot pink shadow and apply in the outer corner just to kind of blend the harsh line out. And then I go with a lighter pink on top of that just to kind of give it like a little ombre type of thing. So then I'm going with the white eyeshadow. Like I said, I'm just going to apply that on top. And I do apply it a few times just to get the intensity of that white. But it did have a little bit of that pink residue because I didn't clean the shadow out. But it's all right. So yeah, so I'm just going back and doing the same thing on the other eye. And I did get a little bit of that shadow on there. So yeah, then I'm going with the same pink eyeshadow and applying to the bottom lash line in the outer corner, bringing it inwards. Then I'm going with the lighter pink and then just kind of blend everything out. All right, then I'm just gonna go with the big brush and kind of blend everything out just to make sure that everything's really nice and blended. Then I'm just going back with the same white shadow and reapplying, like I said, all the shadows back again because I felt like me blending so much did ruin the intensity. Then I'm going with the mascara. I'm just going to apply this just to prep my lashes for falsies. I will be using Tati lashes. I lost the box and I'm so mad because those lashes are so beautiful. And then I put them down on my desk, and I'm guessing one of the cats stepped on the desk and ran off with one of the lashes. So I only have one lash. So I only got to use the lash like twice, and they are so pretty. I don't even know what lashes these are, but yeah. Then I'm just going to go ahead and apply some blush and then some highlights. I'll list all the products down below. On my next video, I do want to apply new products that I just recently purchased myself. I did get the Mario foundation, some e.l.f. products that I got, some Milk Makeup products that I got. So I will be doing a different, hopefully talking in my video, explaining the stuff that I got because I did go get a bunch of new stuff. So yeah, anyways, this is a Kat Von D liquid lip. I kind of wanted to try something different. I'm usually a nude lip girl, so this was a totally like really different kind of vibe that I was going for. So yeah, then I'm just applying some mascara to the bottom lash line from the other one for my lashes. Sorry, I forgot to do it, so I'm doing it again. I don't know why I always do this face, but yeah, whatever. So anyways, so yeah, this look was totally different. The lips was totally different for me. So yeah, so anyways, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to follow me on my other social medias. Love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.